This is Lisa Almedina-McQuade. Yoga, a mindful form of physical activity for college students to self-regulate mood, is my topic. Mental health issues can be an impediment to academic success for college students. The general problem is an increased number of college students entering college with a diagnosed mental health illness, resulting in challenges for the institution as well as the students. There's an increased need for awareness and counseling and programs designed to address these issues. Nearly half, 44%, of undergraduate students report that mental health issues have affected their academic performance. 11% report academic impairments, such as taking incomplete, leave of absence, or dropping out of school. Often negative coping mechanisms such as alcohol, tobacco, or drug use, oversleeping, or loss of sleep can take a toll on a college student's health and ability to attend to their coursework and enjoy the educational process. Their quality of life is affected in terms of their social, physical, cognitive, and emotional and spiritual well-being. The specific problem is that the various therapeutic options for treating mental illness, cognitive behavioral therapy, and/or pharmaceutical interventions can be cost prohibitive, have unwanted drug-induced side effects, and/or may not be adhered to. These treatments have limitations that might be addressed with physical activity and mindfulness practices. Research has shown that these modalities are beneficial to mood regulation. However, the studies fail to address the adherence to these holistic methods. Examining the relationship between mindfulness practices such as yoga and the adherence to self-regulatory practices could have a significant influence on the formalization of educational practices that assist with both higher educational institutions as well as college students challenged with mental illness. It is this research belief that yoga, taught grounded in social cognitive theory, will encourage self-efficacy and self-determined behavior that will encourage quality of life, and in so doing will enhance academic performance and provide tools that will assist with lifelong wellness.